Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off autofill in Microsoft Edge. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now you want to go to in the top right corner and select these three dots and select settings. This brings you to this profile page, and from here we can begin turning off the autofill settings. They don't actually have an option to turn all of it off at once, so you have to do it for each step. So to start with, we're going to click on personal info. So once you've clicked on that, this second button here, if you toggle this off, it will stop it from automatically filling in your info and sign up forms. Now this will turn off autofill for personal info. However, if you still want to stop it from autofilling other things, go back and select passwords. As you can see here, autofill passwords, we want to turn this off as well. There's still one more setting we want to change, so we want to go back again and select payment info, and then at the top here it says save and fill payment info. We want to turn this one off also. Now once these three options are all turned off, it will no longer autofill any of your details. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.